Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKEM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 13 from sloka number 21. Purusha prakristho hi bhungte prakriti jan gunan karanang guna sangosya sadasadyoji janmasu. The Purusha experiences qualities born of material nature, enjoying the three modes of nature. Association with these qualities led one to good and evil. उपद्रष्टानुमन्ता च भर्ता भोक्ता महेश्वरः परमात्मेति चाप्युक्तः देहेऽस्मिन् पुरुषः परः. The Purusha in this body who oversees and protects. One is the supreme controller and enjoyer and is called the super soul. Yayevau veti purusham prakritim cha gunaiः saha sarvatha vartamanopi nasabhuyo bhijayate. One who understands the material nature, the living entity, and the interaction of the modes of nature will be liberated from the cycle of birth and death. ध्यानेनात्मनि पश्यन्ति केचिदात्मानमात्मना अन्ये सांख्येन योगेन कर्मयोगेन चापरे. Some perceive the self within the self through the meditation, others through the gatherings of knowledge, and still others through not expecting the result of fruitive actions. अन्ये त्वेवमजानन्तः श्रुत्वान्येभ्य उपासते तेऽपि चातितरन्त्येव मृत्युं श्रुतिपरायणाः. Even those who are not familiar with spiritual knowledge but have begun worship of the Supreme Lord by hearing about it from others also transcend death. यावत् सञ्जायते किञ्चित् सत्त्वं स्थावरजङ्गमं क्षेत्रज्ञसंयोगात् तद्विद्धि भरतर्षभ. O Arjuna, realize that all that you see in existence, the moving and the non-moving, is a result of the combination of the field of activities and the knower of the field. समं सर्वेषु भूतेषु तिष्ठन्तं परमेश्वरं विनश्यत्स्व विनश्यन्तं यः पश्यति स पश्यति. Those who realize the Supreme God residing in all beings and understanding that neither the soul nor the super soul are destructible truly sees. समं पश्यन् हि सर्वत्र समवस्थितमीश्वरं न हि नस्त्यात्मनात्मानं ततो याति परां गतिम्. One who sees the super soul everywhere does not degrade oneself by the mind and thus attains a transcendental state of beings. प्रकृत्यैव च कर्माणि क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः यः पश्यति तथात्मानम् अकर्तारं स पश्यति. One who realizes that all actions are not carried out by the soul but by material nature truly sees. यथा भूतपृथक् भावम् एकस्तमनुपश्यति तत एव च विस्तारं ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा. When one sees different identities and different material bodies arise from a single source, material nature, one attains Brahman. अनादित्वान् निर्गुणत्वात् परमात्मायमव्ययः शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय न करोति न लिप्यते. This imperishable supreme soul is transcendental. It is beginningless and beyond the influence of the modes of material nature, even though it is in touch with the material body. O Arjuna, the soul neither acts nor gets entangled. यथा सर्वगतं सौक्ष्म्याद् आकाशन्नोपलिप्यते सर्वत्रावस्थितो देहे तथात्मानोपलिप्यते. The sky, because of its subtle nature, does not mix with anything, though it is all pervading. Similarly, the soul does not mix with the body, though situated in it. यथा प्रकाशयत्येकः कृत्स्नल्लोकमिमं रविः क्षेत्रं क्षेत्री तथा कृत्स्नं प्रकाशयति भारत. O descendant of Bharata, like the sun that illuminates the entire universe, the living entity in the body illuminates the consciousness. क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोरेवम् अन्तरज्ञानचक्षुषा भूतप्रकृतिमोक्षम् च ये विदुर्यान्ति ते परम्. Those who understand through the eyes of knowledge the difference between the field and the knower of the field, know the means to be free from material nature, attain the supreme goal. ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगो नाम त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः.